Oh, this poor three-wheeler. This poor thing has been neglected the last couple of years, something terrible. So we gotta get a tire on it. If I can get my block under it, that is. No, that ain't gonna work, is it? There. Not sure if that's going to be enough. I need some counterweight on this guy. Sure, there's something in here that'll work. Mr. Husqvarna can balance this guy out. Yeah, just about. So this poor three-wheeler has been neglected horribly the last couple of years. This thing broke down. This broke down before I fell, the fall before I fell. The poor thing's been sitting out since. But, good thing Honda makes a hell of a tough machine. It's also nice to finally have a spot inside to park this damn thing. Boy, that's got some rust. We'll see if we got it up high enough. Kind of a nice Sunday today, you know, just running around getting some chores done. You know, running the camera out in the pasture a little bit, playing around with the drone. Haven't done that in a long time. Well, we're just kind of enjoying ourselves today. Nothing too pressing. I mean, there's always plenty of things that are pressing to do, but not too bad today at all. Kind of fun to do a video like this once in a while where you're not really trying to explain anything. You're just kind of sharing whatever it is you're into at the moment, which we do a lot of that here, but my videos are so geared to projects, you know, that the mundane, every day-to-day stuff like this, you know, we don't really get into. And it's funny, there is some interest in this kind of thing, but it's not something I often cover. Beautiful, look at that. We'll go with that every day. Let's see if she starts up. I already know it will. Alright, let's see what happens. I got a battery for it, but I have to rip the damn thing apart to put it in. Make sure we're in neutral, so I have to start it with my left foot, which is very awkward. Let's see if we even need to choke it. I like that. Love this machine. Anybody else waiting for me to get swept off the machine? I'm going for a ride. Well, this was a bit of a bullshit video tonight, but you know what? You gotta have those once in a while. I highly enjoyed making it. It was a nice, easy, relaxing day. And I took this out for a test ride. She's running like a champ. That makes me happy. I've got a battery for it, but to put the battery in this thing, holy cow, there's a lot that has to come out of this to do it. So we're gonna get that soon because kickstarting, it's not much fun now at this point in life. But I tell you what, this machine's like a 1985 or 1986. It's over 30 years old, and I tell you what, it fires up better than most new machines do. Especially for the, it survived me, let's just put it that way. But I tell you what, Honda really knew what they were doing when they made this machine. I just love this thing. So anyway, that's it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one.